This is Mr. Jamil. He has always been fit and active, playing golf every weekend with his friends. But after his 50th birthday, he started noticing changes. He would wake up multiple times a night to use the bathroom, and sometimes he would feel a burning sensation. At first, Mr. Jamil brushed it off as a side effect of aging. But when his father was diagnosed with prostate cancer, Jamil realized he needed to get checked. The doctor recommended a PSA test and a digital rectal examination (DRE). Mr. Jamil was hesitant, but his wife encouraged him to go ahead. The results showed Mr. Jamil's PSA levels were elevated, and a biopsy confirmed prostate cancer. But it was caught early and treatment was successful. Mr. Jamil's experience taught him the importance of prostate health awareness. He now advocates for regular screening and healthy lifestyle habits. Now, from the story of Mr. Jamil, let's come to the point whereby we need to talk about the importance of prostate cancer and create awareness in our community. Prostate health awareness is crucial for men, especially as they age. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers affecting men, and early detection is key to successful treatment, just as we've learned in the story of Mr. Jamil. Now, why do we need to talk about prostate health, or rather prostate cancer? Prostate cancer can be asymptomatic in its early stages, making regular screenings essential. And when a prostate cancer is untreated, it can lead to severe health complications, including metastasis and death. Metastasis is an inflammation of the scrotum, damaging the prostate of the man, which could also lead to death. Prostate health issues can also impact quality of life. It can cause urinary problem, erectile dysfunction, and more. Now, how do we reduce the risk of a man having prostate cancer? We know that some risk factors cannot be changed. Risk factors like age, family history, and they cannot be changed. But there are steps that men can take to reduce the risk of prostate cancer. And one of those things that they can do, one of those factors is maintaining a healthy weight. Another one is exercise regularly. Another one is eat a balanced diet rich in fruits. Also eat vegetables and whole grains. And another tip of reducing the risk is manage stress. Yes, a man should not be stressed too much. You manage your stress. And the final tip from my end is get regular screenings. Go for screenings, go for checkup. Screen yourself regularly. As a man, go for that prostate cancer checkup and get screened. Now, what does this screening do? What is the role of the screenings? The screening helps to detect early for any prostate cancer. When it's been detected early, it is more treatable. And the two main screening methods are the prostate specific antigen, which is the PSA test, and then digital rectal examination, which is the DRE. Many men used to avoid the discussion of prostate health due to embarrassment or fear, but it's high time for us to stop the stigma and talk about it. Open conversations with any health practitioner or healthcare person around you. Speak to your loved ones about it. Through this, you can break free from the stigma of talking about prostate cancer. Then, as a community, we can arise to empower men to talk about the prostate cancer. We should prioritize prostate health awareness and take proaction steps with our men. Let's push our men out to take proaction step on how to reduce prostate cancer in the society. Let's help them to visit health facilities and be screened against prostate cancer. Let's encourage them to carry out body exercise and let's help them to live a stressless life. So I say to you again, our men, go out, go out, go and train yourself for that prostate cancer. Stay fit and stay healthy. Stress less, live more. Now let's dive deeper into effective strategies for managing stress and promoting overall well-being. Let's talk about chronic stress prevention. First, we need to understand what stress is. Chronic stress can lead to various health issues, including anxiety, depression, cardiovascular disease, and a weakened immune system. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of stress is crucial for developing effective prevention technique. Now, what are those stress management techniques that we need to put into consideration when trying to manage stress? The first one is mindfulness meditation. Regular mindfulness practice can significantly reduce stress levels and improve overall well-being. Start with short sessions, focusing on your breath or a mantra to calm your mind and body. Number 2 is physical activity. Engage in regular exercise, such as brisk walking, jogging, or yoga to release endorphins and reduce stress hormones. Number 3 is deep breathing exercises. Practice deep, controlled breathing to calm your nerves, to calm your system, and reduce stress. Number 4 is progressive muscle relaxation. Release physical tension by stretching and relaxing your muscles. Now, what are the lifestyle changes for stress management and prevention? Healthy diet. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids to support your body's stress response. Adequate sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to improve stress resilience. Social connections. Nurture relationships and build a support network to help manage stress. Visit families, visit friends, go out, enjoy yourself. Then the last on my list is time management. Prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and take regular breaks to reduce stress. I would love to add this tip for us to always carry out in managing our stress. Always show gratitude. Be thankful for everything you have now. Be grateful for everything you have now, for life, for breath. And have a positive mindset towards everything. The second tip I want you to look at is nature therapy. Spend time outdoors. Engage in activities like hiking, gardening. All these things reduce stress levels. Enjoy the fresh air outside. Enjoy the bird sings. Enjoy nature. And this can help to reduce stress levels. The last tip I want to give is seek support. Consult with mental health professionals. Join support groups to develop healthy coping strategies. With this view, I believe that stress can be prevented. Chronic stress can be debarred and come against. I say stay fit, stay healthy.